Right, good morning everyone. I'm out here in this local forest. It's the end of, very end of November, so there's some snow on the ground, but a really nice morning here now. The sun is coming up and it's a clear day, clear skies, and the light is so beautiful. I'm here to see if there are any birds left in the forest, and I've already heard and I can hear the goldcrest over here, and I also heard a jay earlier on, so that was good fun. I couldn't photograph it because it was hidden up in the trees. So my goal for today is to actually see if I can film and photograph the goldcrest, and as you may know, it's quite difficult. It's a really small bird. It's the smallest we have in Norway, and it's really fast. so I need some luck to get that, but hopefully it will turn out for the best. And the forest is so quiet. It's so calm here now. There's no wind, there's nothing, and I can hear birds all around me now. So we know there are birds in the forest. Now it's just a matter of finding them. Or rather, I just heard a bullfinch up in these treetops here. Kinda disappeared on me, but I'll go after and see if I can spot it. Can you hear that? That's the bullfinch. It's very close, but I can't see it. Did you see that? It sat on the top of that tree over there. I got one picture and then it flew away. But what an experience. I've been sneaking through the forest as quietly as I could. And it's really hard because the forest is so dense here. So it was really hard to spot it. But then in the end, suddenly it was there. And I got one picture. Alright guys, I decided to have some lunch, a break and some lunch. I heard the goldcrest, several of them. In this there's a little clearing here, so it's a bit opener. So I decided just to have some lunch and see if they turn up, and maybe give the opportunity to film and photograph them. And if not, that's fine. This is such a beautiful morning. The sun is coming up, the light is perfect, there's no wind, there's quiet. You can hear the birds here and there. A bit more quiet than I was hoping for, I must admit. But a really, really nice forest this, and a really nice morning. There's actually two of them. Okay guys, that's it for today. It's getting a bit cold here in the forest. My hands and feet are really cold, so I need to get back home and get some warmth. That really was a fantastic day in this forest. It turned out really as good as I hoped. I got several encounters with the goldcrest, and fingers crossed, maybe one or two of the pictures are okay. It's really difficult to photograph the goldcrest. I didn't even try to film it. They're so fast, they're so small, and they're constantly moving. They don't sit still for like not even a second. So it's really difficult and challenging, but also really fun. Good morning guys. I'm here at this local forest, bright and early. The sun is coming up over there. I were here a few days ago when I put up some bird food in hope to, of course, give them some food in this cold weather, and also maybe be able to photograph and film them. And to my big surprise, there was just a grey wagtail here on the ice. So that was there's ice on this marsh in front of me here. So there's a stream running just below me here. So I think maybe it's grey wagtail that belongs to that stream, and have chosen not to fly away to England or Southern Europe. It's definitely not that cold that I was expecting. So I'm well dressed, and I'll have to see if I can camouflage myself a bit more. I have this tragopan sheet in front of the camera, and I'm sitting on my chair, and this is really nice. I'm gonna have some coffee now and just wait and see the morning come, and just enjoy myself with that. And fingers crossed for many birds. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I'm pretty cold. I've been walking around just with my camera and see if I could find anything else, but it's really quiet in the forest today. So I'm cold on my feet, I'm out of coffee, I'll head home. But thank you so much guys for following along, and remember, get out and enjoy nature.